Two ways to view all Wi-Fi passwords on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the info button you see beside the Wi-Fi you were connected to. You will see the option for password there. Tap on it and you will be able to view the Wi-Fi password of that particular network after entering your Face ID or your passcode. In order to view the password of all the networks you have connected to, go back to Wi-Fi and tap on Edit button now you see on the top right of your screen. Enter your Face ID or passcode, and here you will be able to see all the networks you have previously connected to. Tap on the info button beside the network whose password you want to view and then tap on password and you will be able to view the password of that particular network. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.